And Rob, there hasn't been a vote yet because right now the board is just starting to discuss that resolution that will dictate how they handle immigration issues. But the board president tells me they will take a vote by the end of the night because she says families can't wait.
School board members call it responsive after recent executive orders left some of their students and their families on edge.
We're restating what our common practice is and what we're already doing so that people have that information available and have that public statement of we value our students, we value our families, we value diversity.
New board president Lacey Merica says that's what motivated a new resolution. It states employees, unless there's a court order, will not use district resources for detecting or assisting in the apprehension of an illegal immigrant. It also says that staff can't talk to immigration officials about a student's status, and those officials should not be allowed in school premises without first telling the superintendent. To your knowledge, has OPS ever helped ICE with an investigation or identify a family that was maybe in the country illegally?
Not to my knowledge.
A spokesperson from Immigrations and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, confirms no, they haven't, because ICE would not ask a public school to enforce a federal immigration law. Schools, like hospitals and churches, are covered in the ICE sensitive location policy, which is accessible online to anyone, saying typically those areas are avoided so people can, quote, utilize services provided at those locations without hesitation or fear. But the board believes that not all of their families know that.
We've always been a melting pot and a welcome community to people of diverse backgrounds and cultures. So I really do hope that it'll be received well.
Now, the resolution also says that an employee should not ask for documentation or ask the immigration status of an OPS family. But again, they still need to take a vote. Now, they're getting to this issue kind of late because the board also took most of the night to name their new board member, who is Dr. Shavana Holman. She will be sworn in at the end of the month. Reporting live at the TAC building, Christina Engdahl, KETV News Watch 7.